الحمد لله وكفى وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى أما بعد قال الله تعالى في القرآن المجيد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم من قتل نفسا بغير نفس أو فساد في الأرض فكأنما قتل الناس جميعا. Honorable President of the program and dear audience, today I am feeling very happy to attend this program because I have a golden chance to speak before you. The topic of my today's talk is, are Islamic madrasas the centers of terrorism? May Allah enable me to speak right, true and to act upon that. Brothers, madrasas are the protectors of true spirit of Islam and faithful authentic commentary of the Quran and Islamic law. Madrasas are bearers of Muslims' historical character and honor of forefathers' pure narration. On one side, madrasas give the Muslims skillful ulamas of Islamic knowledge who are herald of Islamic manners, deeds, religious thoughts and character. And on other side, madrasas give a country peaceful, honest citizen who by his words and character spread the message of human friendship, peace and unity in the world. Existence of these madrasas in India is a remarkable sign of democracy. Brothers, but today Hindu organizations in India are trying to attach the label of terrorism to Islamic centers, so that madrasas would be defamed in all over the world. And its importance and benefit would end. Friends, I want to ask the men who speak against madrasas and say that madrasas are the centers of terrorism. Tell me, in which madrasas this education is given that injustice, murder of an innocent human is equivalent to that all of humanity? Tell me, in which madrasas this education is given that friendship or enmity in every case must be based on justice? Tell me, in which madrasas this education is given that hubbul watani min al-iman, patriotism is a part of faith? Can such madrasas be the source of terrorism? It never can be. It never can be. Friends, countrymen should love madrasas and should promote it because madrasas give the education of peace and unity. And by these madrasas, product India got freedom. But now, countrymen consider these madrasas as the centers of terrorism and they want to close them. Brothers, therefore now, this is not the time to dream. This is time to translate dream into reality and introspect. Who is the responsible of the deteriorating situation of madrasas and sordid stats of their students? Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.